Are you preparing for the Red Hat Certified System Administrator EX200 exam? Look no further. I designed this course to help you master the exam objectives and ensure your success. Throughout the course, we will dive into a wide range of practice questions, carefully curated to cover all the essential topics tested in the Red Hat Certified System Administrator exam. These questions will challenge your knowledge, sharpen your problem-solving skills, and prepare you for the real exam scenarios. In this course, I will provide you with comprehensive practice exams I designed to prepare you for the Red Hat Certified System Administrator V9 EX200 certification exam. I designed this course to help you assess your knowledge and skills in a simulated exam environment. I have carefully crafted 6 complete practice exams that closely resemble the format and difficulty level of the actual RHCSA 9 EX200 exam. Each practice exam consists of a set of hands-on lab-based questions that cover the key topics and objectives of the RHCSA 9 exam. I provide detailed answers and explanations for each question to help you understand the reasoning behind the correct answers. Along with the practice exams, I offer expert guidance and tips to help you improve your exam-taking strategies and increase your chances of success. This course allows you to study at your own pace and revisit any sections or questions as needed. This course is suitable for aspiring Linux system administrators who want to validate their skills and knowledge by obtaining the RHCSA 9 certification, IT professionals who wish to enhance their career prospects and demonstrate their expertise in managing Red Hat enterprise Linux systems, individuals preparing for the RHCSA 9 EX200 exam who want to assess their readiness and identify areas that require further study and practice. By the end of this course, you will gain familiarity with the format and structure of the RHCSA 9 exam EX200. Assess your knowledge and skills in key areas such as system administration, user and group management, file systems and storage, network configuration, containers, and security. Identify areas for improvement and focus your study efforts on specific topics. Build confidence in your ability to tackle the RHCSA 9 exam and increase your chances of success. To get the most out of this course, I recommend that you have studied Red Hat System Administration 1, RH124, and Red Hat System Administration 2, RH134, or the Red Hat System Administration Rapid Track course, RH199, that combines the two, or have similar work experience as a system administrator on Red Hat Enterprise Linux systems. I am excited to have you on this journey to prepare for the RHCSA 9 exam, EX200. My practice exams and expert guidance will help you sharpen your skills, gain confidence, and increase your chances of passing the exam with flying colors. Thank you for joining the Unofficial Red Hat RHCSA 9 EX200 Practice Questions with Answers 2023 course. Let's dive in and start practicing.